what's up? I hope you people are safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, my name is Madhu and I welcome you people to my channel Madhu Yadav Talk. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can use the secret Instagram effects on your photos and videos. With hundreds of photo effects and filters to choose from, Instagram gives you more options than any other online photo editor. There's truly no limit to what you can create. Everything from vintage to instant effects, almost everything is at your fingertips. You can even stack as many effects as you would like to create your own signature look. So without making any late, let's quickly get into the video. So firstly, let me just open my Instagram account, and here we go. This is my Instagram account that I use. Let me just click on this status option and I'll be selecting the new one. And if you can see, this is under a normal mode. So let's see all the filters that are available for us from here. So once I go to this normal mode, these are the new effects that Instagram came across. So what I'm gonna do is I'll click on this option here, and it will give me this particular interface wherein I will be able to select the option that says browse effects in order to see what all the different effects that are available here. So the moment I click on to this browse effects, I'll be able to find all the different effects that are available to the users, wherein I can scroll this down and here I'll be able to find all the things. Now if you can look at the top banner here, it says Instagram selfies, love, color and light. So Instagram has already segregated the different things. Let's take an example that you want to play with color and light on your videos or on the photos. You can simply click on this option that says color and light, wherein you will be able to find all the different effects that are readily available for you. So from here you can start choosing them. Let's take an example that this seems to be very much attractive. If you can look at the fourth one, so I'll click on to this one. If you like this particular effect from here, what you can do is you can simply click on this option that is save, wherein the effect will be saved, wherein you can directly click onto it and you can start using. Or else if you would like to try how exactly this looks, you can click on the option that says try it, which I'm gonna do it now. And so let me just flip the camera to the greenery part, and here we go. So if you can look at this one here, see, I'll be able to zoom in. If you can see, the greenery around has changed into a teal color, and even the sky has also changed. So if you would like to take a particular video under this background, you can simply long press onto this tab, a video will be captured. Or else if you would like to go ahead with the process of you can just long press this for a long time so that the video will be captured perfectly. Or else if you would like to just have a picture of it, you can just click on to this one and a picture will be captured. So in the same way, I'll be showing you all the different effects that we have here. So you can just play with the colors here. So if you can see, the color has changed. The same goes with this one and the other ones as well. See, the color is completely changing. So depending upon to the background or depending upon to the location, you can just start using them. See, it went a bit pinkish also. And I'm gonna show you one interesting thing which I really loved about these effects here. So I'll be showing you all of them. So these are the colors that are under the infra mode. Now if you would like to still browse it, there are a bunch of effects that you can really use. So you can select one among these. Like let's try with the first one, which is infrared. I'm simply going to click on this try it mode and see. See, this is how the colors change and you can select it from the above option. This one seems to be quite good. So now, as I have said you people that there is one interesting and amazing effect that everyone should give it a try. So in order to find it very easily, because among all this bunch of effects, it's really time consuming to find that particular effect. Now in order to make it very easy for you, I want you people to click on to this one, just swipe up and you'll be able to find browse effects option. Click on to this browse effects and tap on this search icon here and just type in Arthur, which is ARTHUR, and then click on the search option, or else you can type in Arthur B and then hit on the search icon, and the first effect is something which I want you people to try. So click on this first one and you can just save it. I have already saved it. So click on this try it option, and from here you will be able to find something which is really interesting. See, the color has completely changed, which is very good. I mean, like everyone, I really love this. Maybe you people would also love it. So you can just try it on to different colors and it will change into a good color contrast also. So give it some time and see the change, how the colors are changing. And also this one, see, this is how it changes. And you can just make use of all of these effects, and I'm sure that whoever views your status will be like, from where did you get this, just tell me and all. So you can just simply try this one and make a colorful background or click some amazing pictures, and that should work fine for you. Just try using all of these effects and I'm sure that you people will love it. So with that being said, this is all for today. See you guys, take care, have a nice day.